to another video of Dashi Gaming. If you're new here, welcome, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Now, today, my mom went to the store, and she gave me this, and I asked her, why did she give it to me? Then she said, because she bought me a Nito. I actually can't believe it. Well, I did pass my test, but anyways, so, wait, I know. So, I really want the blue one, or like the Dr. Pepper one, but that's like impossible to get, so, let's see. Or actually, maybe the like glow in the dark one, that's one is really good. Or maybe that like light pink, does that even exist, or is that a fake? Alright guys, I'm gonna close my, I'm gonna close my eyes. I grabbed it. Close my eyes and, yeah, alright. Here. Why is it so heavy? 3, 2, 1. No way! No way, is this the Dr. Pepper? Guys. Wait, I have to open this. Guys. No, guys. Wait, gamers. This isn't happening. This guys, it's actually the Dr. Pepper. Guys, actually, look at that. I actually cannot believe it. I don't even know what to say. Yay? Oh my god. I don't believe it. Why do I feel like it's fake? Whatever. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Needle satisfaction.
What in the world?